Anna, what has that girl given to you to eat? Eh? Whatever she has given you to eat, you will vomit it now. Vomit it!
Mama, wrap no my now. Wrap no my can now. Leave my clothes now.
Mama, don't leave him. Hold him tight. Brother, you see, anything you want in this house, we will give it to you times 10.
Okay, is that... Okay, you people have ganged up against me, eh? No, you people have ganged up against me. Mama, leave me alone. I don't want quarrel. Just leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind?
Leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind? Let me slap that charm out of your eyes. Let me slap it out of your eyes. Eh? What has she given to you? You see that as someone? Eh? Anywhere I see her in this village, there is going to be war. People will gather. What nonsense? What has this girl done to you? Is she not beautiful enough?
Mama, you slapped me. Cello,
I will slap you again. If you make beam now, I will slap hell out of your ears. Eh? See, that is someone. Anywhere I see her in this village,
tell Mama to leave me alone. I don't want to scatter here. Just tell Mama to kindly leave. I'm talking to you.
Anaya, what wrong have I done to you? What did I do wrong to you? Did I not give you a child? Did I not give you a child? This same Asawa is the reason we don't have a child anymore. You people killed my daughter for me.
You should tell Mama to leave me alone. You're singing in Heme or in Heme. Is that what I asked you to tell her? Mama, leave me. You're giving me this strange style. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You are just look at him.
Mama, he's going back there. He's not going anywhere. He's going back. Banana. Hey.
What was all this? What was all this? Why would you slap me?
If you open your mouth to slap me again, I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. Fight me. Beat me.
No wahala now. Can't sit back here.
Let me go back here. You are just here.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.